Morning, good morning. It is cold and the lake is frozen and we're going to be heading out. The actual concrete and stuff is pretty good, so we'll be very careful, very safe. Some people are going on like a 65k loop, but myself and two others are going on a slightly different detour, and I'll explain what that is on the way, why I'm doing it. But just before we get going, look at this view. This is a blooming good view. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. So let's get going.
Down to, what's the
Scorton.
The barn. Scorton, the barn at Scorton. Some people will drive down there and probably see you for breakfast. For you guys that are being hardcore this morning, take a steady spin down there.
So the reason that I've not gone out with the rest of the group is for this reason. Cap'n-Ray, I think that's how you say it. So basically, I am starting racing this season. So one of the first races that I'll be doing is the Cap'n-Ray, which obviously is in the lakes. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of come in and just test it out, see what the course was like. I'm not going to do that for a race, obviously, but while we're literally a couple of K away from the actual circuit, so I was like, why not just go and do it? So yeah, some of the guys know it anyway because they've ridden it, so they just thought, we'll come and take you around and just show you what it's like, which is really exciting. It is beautiful, absolutely stunning. I'm hoping it's going to be a little bit warmer at the race, but whatevs. Also, I am racing with a team. I am racing with Crimson Performance, so Crimson Performance race team, so I'll be racing for an actual team. I'll just see how I get on. I don't know, I'm just going to give it a go. I think I'm going to like it. So yeah, why not just have a crack at it, see if I enjoy it, and hopefully I will, and hopefully I'll get some points. Who knows, but yeah, that's what I'm doing today, so let's get back on the route. It's so pretty up here though.
Neutralised roll in for the circuit is down here.
Okay.